Om Shanti. Some of the benefits of meditation can be like putting the self under the microscope. First of all, to sit comfortably and relaxed and visualize yourself in the center of the forehead, a point of light, the energy, the soul, the being of light. And see the self. You're a brave soul, and you're about to embark on a journey of discovering your true self. And there's so many stories to unravel. And layers of emotions to understand. Usually we don't make the time to see any of this. But when I sit in stillness, it can be very interesting what I can discover about myself. So to put yourself under the microscope is a gift to the self. And you can get to know the true self and appreciate all that you are. And when I have this inner attention, this can help me to develop soul awareness. And then I won't react negatively in any situation. I am the soul, and my original energy is peace. This appears to be the magic, because it creates a different energy in my brain, in my mind. And when there is any reaction in me, it's a great chance to learn. Things that I may not have noticed before. If I think someone is lacking in peace, love, joy, or any other virtue, and if I get upset by this, then I'm also lacking. So when we practice meditation, it can keep us focused on ourselves so that I don't blame others for their shortcomings. So when I keep the microscope on myself, I can then see what I need to develop and ask myself questions. Am I tolerant? I am the soul, and my original energy is peace. Do I have inner strength? Others may have shortcomings, but we all do. And meditation turns the spotlight on me. What can I learn? So through meditation I can check my reactions. I don't examine the motives and character of others in a critical way. Enjoy being a spiritual scientist and examine yourself and discover the real you. I am the soul, and my original energy is peace. And the method to sit still and peacefully, focusing on the center of the forehead, feeling the peace that is our original nature. I am a soul, a being of light. And I want to discover the best in myself. A being of energy. The peaceful, beautiful energy. The peaceful, beautiful energy. The peaceful, beautiful energy. Om Shanti.